The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northwestern Benton County, northwest Indiana, southern Jasper County, northwest Indiana, southern Newton County, northwest Indiana, until 2:15 p.m. 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 1:13 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Shelton to Stockland and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Robb around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Beaver City and Kentland around 1:25 p.m. Perkins and Brook around 1:30 p.m. Percy Junction and Forest Men around 1:35 p.m. Surrey around 1:40 p.m. Rensselaer and Collegeville around 1:45 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning